Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock your SIM card with PIN on Redmi 14C. First go to settings, then go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock, privacy, then go to more security settings, then click on your SIM and now enable lock SIM. Now you'll need to enter the PIN that was either previously set by you or the default one if you haven't changed your PIN to the SIM card. So I'm gonna use the default one. Okay, it was incorrect, so let's try again with a different one. Okay, and now it works. SIM PIN was enabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.